guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can host a game in Meccha Chameleon. So once you have created your server, go to the configure map here. You can enable Monochrome if you'd like to. That means they'll search in black and white, which is a little bit harder. There's horror as well. And then there's Mosaic, which, oh my gosh, that is hard to see. That like made my eye hurt. And then here you can also change the game mode. We have infection, basic, double. So basic says players split into two teams, hunters and runners, hide until the end to win. Oh, it's called runners, right? Everyone hides at the starts. After that, everyone searches, and the first player to find everyone wins. And there is also infection. If you get caught, become a hunter. Hide until the end to win. You can adjust the number of hunters here. Hunter wait time, search time, answer check time, and force taunt. People like to add 25 seconds to it. It says show miss spot ranking to hunters as well. You can also make the map random. And you can also change like the body type here if you'd like to. I'm just going to start game, and if you want to become the hunter, go on this like spot. If you want to become a runner, get out of it. But obviously this is just me playing, so I don't know if I'll be a hunter. Okay, I guess not because there's only one person. But if you are a hunter, you will be, I guess, hunting later on where people are. But yeah, that is how you can host a game in Meccha Chameleon. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!